This video explains how to change a user's personal information. Users with the administrator role can edit any user's personal information within the system. Hover over the Users tab in the main menu and select User Profiles. Here you can see the list of all users in the system. Find the user whose personal information you want to modify and click the username to open the user's profile. From the sidebar menu, navigate to the Information tab, change or enter valid data, and click the Save button to confirm changes. Note that administrators may change users' account information, modify password settings, and add attachments to their accounts as well. To permit any other role, such as instructor or proctor, to modify user personal information, you should assign permission number 15 in the Roles and Permissions module.